Welcome back to Adventures with Rosie. Today we're answering a question we get asked all the time. How do you deal with laundry when you're on the road? Let's get into it. It seems like a bit of a trend with RV and caravan manufacturers at the moment. These are brand new rigs like this Jayco Journey we're sitting in right now come with washing machines. The one we're looking at today is the Sphere 3.3 kg washing machine. The product code is STL33C. So Sphere do two models in this range. They do a 3 kg and a 3.3 kg. They are a cold wash only washing machine. There's no hot option. And they come in a 240 volt or a 110 volt if you're in America option. So there's not a 12 volt option. You will need an inverter to run it off grid, and it draws about 235 watts when it's running. All right, first things first, when you switch it on, you're going to need to select the water level. This has three options for water level. You got your high at 26 liters, your medium water level uses about 20 liters, and your low water level uses about 15 liters. All right, so next you're going to select the process. The full process, the full wash, takes about 38 minutes. The rapid mode takes about 21 minutes, and if you press it so that the spin is unselected, so a no spin mode, you're looking at around about 31 minutes as well. So what do we think of it? Well, this machine caught us out the first time we used it. Now, one thing to bear in mind, if you do the full wash mode on a high water level, so you've got quite a few clothes in there, you're going to use 26 liters to fill that washing machine. But the full mode is going to wash, rinse, spin, rinse, and then spin again. So you're going to use 26 liters of water 3 times over. So a full mode is going to cost you 78 liters of water. Now, in a caravan like this, we have 2 freshwater tanks. They are 80 liters a piece, 82 liters I think. But we only have 1 grey water tank, and that grey water tank is 80 liters. So the first time we use this washing machine, we completely drained one of our freshwater tanks, completely filled one of our grey water tanks. The machine actually threw an error because we ran out of fresh water halfway through the wash and we're having to fill the tank as the wash was trying to progress. So the full mode, I don't know how economic it is. Now, if you're staying at a campground where you've got hookups, you've got a sewer hookup and you've got a freshwater hookup, of course you can go for gold. If you're off-grid camping and water is scarce, and this machine's going to chew through it. If you don't have the water, one mode we really like to use is the rapid mode on a low water setting. We have 2 young girls, twin girls are 6 months old, and on occasion they've had an accident in their car seat. There's been clothes that have been soiled, and the low water mode rapid, throw a load of clothes in there and do a wash has been really helpful. I've also heard of people doing the hand washing themselves in a bucket. So you do your actual washing in a bucket and use the machine for the spin cycle. So that seems to be a good option as well. Then obviously you're not eating into your water as much. I've even heard of some people getting a few buckets of water, pouring their detergent in, their clothes in, putting a lid on them, and then when they drive, they put them in the back of the car or their tow vehicle or the back of their rig. And when they drive, that natural moving around washes the clothes, and when they get to where they're going, into the machine for a rinse and a spin, and you're just not going to use as much water. It is quite expensive on the water. It uses a lot of our water that we could be using for other things. So in that regard, on the fence as to if we'd ever purchase a washing machine for a caravan or an RV in the future. So we're a family of 5. We cruise around in our caravan named Rosy. We are exploring New Zealand. And so if you'd love to come along for the adventure, subscribe below. There's also links to our socials, Facebook, Instagram, where you can keep up to date with what we're up to, and we'd love you to join the Rosy family. Thanks for watching.